Hi there, Creative Sarah here. Watch while I make this adorable Patriotic tiered tray. First, we're gonna paint the edges of both bases. Next, I'm going to sand and rough up those painted edges. And we're going to do a little waxing on those edges as well before we start to chalk our design. I've chosen stars and stripes from our star pattern transfer. They're stars, but look at those cute patterns in there, so easy to run along the edges. Now here I'm using the striped pattern, but I'm only chalking in every other stripe because it's such thick stripes. I didn't want that much white on my edges, so I wanted a fair amount of red and white. So I did it this way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this fun project, and make sure to follow Creative Sarah at Home for more ideas, inspiration, and insider information.